I now invite Dr. Preeti Khare, madam. Just after the inaugural session, we will start with the technical session 1, and the session in charge is Dr. Preeti Khare. I invite Dr. Preeti Khare to proceed with the session, technical session 1. Dr. Preeti Khare.
A very good afternoon to everyone. This is Dr. Preeti Khare, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology and Biotechnology, Government Science College, Jabalpur. All of you are heartily invited to online national conference on challenges, opportunity and application of biological sciences, technical session 1. It is an honor to have Dr. Amar Pazare sir with us today as a resource person for this conference. Now, I would like to call Ms. Vinita Ratunia to humbly introduce sir. Ms. Vinita Ratunia.
Good afternoon, all of you. Today, we are pleased to introduce Dr. Amar Pazare sir, a very special guest from Mumbai. Hello, sir. Very warm welcome to you. Dr. Pazare is a professor of medicine in Somaiya Medical College and Hospital, Mumbai. He is coordinator and nodal officer.
Excuse me, madam, आपका video off है? Yes, on now.
Okay, ma'am. Dr. Amar Pazare is a professor of medicine in Somaiya Medical College and Hospital, Mumbai. He is coordinator and nodal officer in AIDS Core Unit and ART Center in Somaiya Hospital, Mumbai. He has done his graduation and post-graduation in medicine from Nagpur University. He is having 39-year clinical experience, 37 years of teaching and 30 years of experience in teaching at post-graduation level. He has been previously worked as professor and head of medicine, Department of GS Medical College and KEM Hospital, Mumbai since 30 years. He worked as a HIV and AIDS consultant at Tata Hospital, Mumbai. He worked as Associate Professor of Medicine, TN Medical College and Nair Hospital, Mumbai from 1991 to 1999. He has worked as editorial board of member, associate editor in JP, board member of Journal of Postgraduate Mumbai Medicine and Contemporary Clinical Dentistry. He also got various research projects. Some of them have been successfully completed and many more projects are still going on. He has been 25 international and national research publications. He has written 3 textbooks for medical graduate students. He also worked with Association of Physicians of India, Mumbai Hematology Group, Indian Society of Electrocardiography and AIDS Society of India. So now I am inviting Dr. Amar Pazare sir for his expert opinion on the research and advances in corona infection. Welcome, sir. Please greet us. Thank you.
Respected, Honorable Vice Chancellor Kapil Dev Mishra, Dr. Anand Mahobia, Principal, Science College, Jabalpur, Dr. Sharma Madam, Professor HOD Zoology. I thank Preeti Khare and Vinita for extensive introduction of myself. I thank organizer for giving me this opportunity to present my COVID knowledge in the conference. I thank special thanks to Dr. Varsha Aglave, who is also my relative. Took a lot of pain to have the conference successful. She is not only academics, attend academic excellence, also in the cultural activity. For that, she has to leave many family functions. She has left many family functions in the recent future. So, it's dedicated to her work. So, in the cultural as well academic activity, she has many publications, and she is a good person as well. So, before I start this session, I'm not concerned. I'm not taking the what you know about the COVID like statistics. I'm not touching. I'm not touching clinical features, signs and symptoms because most of you know the signs and symptoms. So I'm basically in research part of the COVID, which may be more details for you, and some historical background. That's what I'm taking. So I will start my presentations now by sharing the screen. So okay. So this is myself. So this is coronavirus disease 2019. We called it a COVID-19 nowadays. It was initially called as China disease and then Wuhan disease and then ultimately WHO named as the COVID-19. 19 because it is first case they are reported from the China December in COVID-19. It's a highly contagious disease that you know that many patients, as you might have seen, your relatives, friends have suffered from disease. Many have succumbed to the disease and is very dangerous disease till today. It is official name of disease called as SARS-CoV virus 2. It's called severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, coronavirus 2. That's called a short form, and we always call in scientific language. It's called as a SARS-CoV-2. That is called scientific, not scientific. The first known case of this epidemic was identified in Wuhan, China, in December 19. That's why COVID-19 name was given, and then disease spread worldwide, leading to the ongoing pandemic. And now possibly this is going for endemic state, means it will be there throughout like a malaria, dengue fever like throughout the year, but possibly should be in control for the after vaccinations. This is the photographs under electron microscope, and that what you see is the corona structure like with the flash from the sun. That's called corona of the sun. So that's why name is given coronavirus, and that is the different coronavirus because the corona of the sun. That's what it looks like. That's why name is given corona. So it is not the first case that 1919. That is 2019. It is the first new type of the this virus affecting the respiratory tract observed chicken in North Dakota, US, 1931. So that sort of the similar virus was seen in the chicken, and basically upper respiratory infection of that chicken. Etiology virus, and 1936 it is named as infectious bronchitis virus. So, but name was the different, not coronavirus that given, but that name was given 1936 as a infectious bronchitis virus. But later officially the virus named as the avian coronavirus. And a lot of coronavirus variants were there. A brain disease in mice called murine encephalomyelitis was discovered in 1947 in a Harvard school, and that was etiology virus. And the name after the scientist who has discovered that, called as John Howard Mueller. So GHS virus was given the name at that time. In 1950, hepatitis in mouse was reported from the National Institute of Medical Research in London. The causative agent was a virus or the mouse hepatitis. Name was given mouse hepatitis virus. So both were later on found to have the similar structures. So this all in 1961 virus was obtained from schoolboy in England, was suffering from common cold. Sample was confirmed as the novel new virus in 1965. The common cold virus collected from the medical students at University of Chicago in 1996. All the viruses have similar structures, means I am going back. That is the GHS that is found in the brain, then hepatitis in these patients, mouse hepatitis, then schoolboy having the virus, and the college student, medical student. All these were have this almost similar structures. So David Almeida and David Turnell invented the collective name called the coronavirus 1967. So this is not the first time. The coronavirus was detected quite long before, that is in the 1947. But this June Almeida and David Turnell then invented a name called as coronavirus because of this corona around the suns in 1967. So it is not a 2019, 1967. The virus was there in the circulations. All the virus solar structural projection called spikes on their surface, that is called as the sun's coronas. That's the corona name is given. This coronavirus discovered from 913 species, not only the bats and your mouse, chickens, 39 other animals have that is inspection, 39 species. But bats, the different species coronavirus, in the same bats can have the different species coronavirus. All coronaviruses originate from the common ancestor about 2,293 million years ago. So means a virus was there. And it is given that is called as a coronavirus originated लेक्चर चालू है का बस
स्लाइड शेयर नहीं हो रही है फर्स्ट स्लाइड ही है
what is the problem
हो रही है सर हो रही है सर हो रही है दूसरी आईडी पे हो रही है जी जी
नहीं इट इज कुछ पर तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम्स है
हाँ हो रही
ओके हो रही so it is a virus found in ancestors about 293 million years ago. It's a very cold virus. Was there in the zoonotic, basically in the animals. So it was basically a zoonotic disease presented as 3 diseases basically severe acute respiratory syndrome related coronavirus, SARS-CoV. The first one, this is not COVID-2, that was there in the animals prior to the 2019 also. It's called as a SARS coronavirus only. Then we have got the other virus called as a Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. That is a MERS related coronavirus. Coronavirus, it was also coronavirus, but occurs in the mainly chickens and all basically China. Again in China, it was the main virus in these patients. And now 2019 is severe acute respiratory syndrome related coronavirus, that is SARS-2. So etiology agent of the all COVID-19 pandemic. So this is a newer version of that. It's called as that's why novel word is taken off. Novel means new. It's not new. It's all old virus. It's modified over times. And this is the 3 diseases generally we have with the coronavirus. That is the SARS-CoV, coronavirus V, MERS coronavirus V, and SARS coronavirus 2. Now this is the recent coronavirus causing epidemic. That is a pandemic. This COVID-19 pandemic. So this SARS coronavirus 2 is closely related to the SARS coronavirus only which occurred in the past.
Excuse me sir. सर स्लाइड चेंज नहीं हो रही अभी फर्स्ट स्लाइड लगी हुई है टाइटल वाली लगी हाँ टाइटल वाली लगी हुई है सर
अभी तक
जी जी
What is the problem? This is now also not changing.
Okay, sir.
Because it is in my computer is changing.
Okay, but there is here not changing.
Everyone has got same problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what to do?
आपकी
you can
नहीं हो रही है फर्स्ट स्लाइड ही शो हो रही है
Sir, you can share again.
Again share. Stop sharing. Okay.
After stop sharing. अभी छोड़ते जा रहा है दिलो
Now which one? Is it changing now?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now it's changing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will just repeat. This is I repeat in short. This corona virus disease 2019 called COVID-19 is name given by WHO. Initially it was called as China virus, Wuhan virus, and then ultimately lot of debate. It is called as a COVID-19 virus. It's a highly contagious disease, as you know. All over the world it spreads, and this official name or scientific name of virus called as a severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. This is the actual name. Or as SARS coronavirus 2. This is a scientific name. The first known case of this SARS-2 was found in the Wuhan, China in December 2019. And then it spread worldwide.